Determine whether y is equal to 5x plus 1 and y is equal to negative 1 over 5x plus 2 are perpendicular. So these are two lines. These are the equations of two lines, the first line and the second line. So you're supposed to determine if they are perpendicular to each other. Remember, if they're perpendicular to each other, then the gradient of the first one times the gradient of the second one should be negative 1. So let us look for the gradients of these two numbers or these two lines. So for us to obtain the gradient, we only need to write these in the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient. So for the first line, m1, that is this line, m1 is 5. And then for the second line, the gradient is this, negative 1 over 5. So if they're perpendicular, then m1, which is 5, times negative 1 over 5 is negative 1, which is true. Therefore, we can conclude that the line y is equal to 5x plus 1 is perpendicular to the line y is equal to negative 1 over 5x plus 2.